Pretty sweet. So we're gonna, October 14th, gonna hunt tomorrow. We're going to put the blind, which is on the hay rack right now, on the platform. Got a buddy with a tractor come in. We have to clear a way in from this side, so we're not bumping deer in the field as we get into the blind. So we got a chainsaw, I got it, borrowed it from my buddy Kyle. We're gonna cut a way through, put up the stairs to the platform, and then Eric's coming by with his tractor. We're gonna take the blind, put it in the bucket, put it on top of the platform, and then cinch it down. So that's the plan for today. Gotta get my kids at 2:30, so it is a lunch break. We'll see how much we get done. Dude, I didn't see the pumpkin ribbon.
I think it was like a limited time thing.
Maybe. Got lucked out. That thing was insanely good.
It was.
So you can get rhubarb all year round, but they don't serve rhubarb strawberry except when it's strawberry season, because they only use fresh strawberries. It's good to know. No, but they have like just strawberry available right now, so are they not using fresh strawberries for the strawberry pie? I don't think you're gonna fly a drone today. Got fuel in it. Call Kyle.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to start your chainsaw.
What?
Trying to start your chainsaw.
Oh yeah, how's that going?
It's not.
Why not?
I'm calling a friend.
Okay, listen. You put the choke down all the way, and then pull the finger thing down.
What's the finger? What's that?
Like you have to put the trigger down, then put the choke all the way, and it'll hold the trigger down. There's a safety underneath, right?
Okay. So the choke is where it says 0IH. Is that right?
I think it's just all the way down.
Just go all the way down?
Does it have a primer on it? I can't remember if that one's got a primer or not.
I don't think so.
I started before I brought it to you.
Yeah,
so
I'm sure you did. I'm not very good at these things.
Yeah, I know.
It says H, is that right?
For help.
But I need it. Does that sound better or no?
Yeah, that sounds good. And it should lock that trigger back, so it should be like giving it full gas.
Yeah, it doesn't. It doesn't lock it.
I see why you think that. Do you have the safety all the way down?
Ooh, so close. Yeah, man, thank you. Yes. That's a real chainsaw. The electric one I have sucks. Alright. Now I need to put on the ladder. This chainsaw was insanely awesome. I need to get one of those. My electric chainsaw sucks in comparison. So this will clean up all the stuff on the ground. That'll work. I lost the instructions to this, so we'll see how it goes. Yeah, that's good. pretty sweet. I have to secure it a little bit better, but I mean, it's fine for right now. You see the platform right now is like higher over there than the ladder is, so the angle's really steep. Yo!
Hello.
How are you?
Too bad. Trying to finish up before we're both working.
Yeah.
You have that, the base of that thing where it's staked down?
Yep, it's all right. I just finished putting the ladder on. It's good to go whenever you are. You get your stuff done, and then we'll talk. I'll talk to you tomorrow.
Okay.
All right, see you, buddy.
See you later, bye.
Thanks. So what will we do for the rest of the time? I really want to relocate this camera in there. So let's go in the woods. Not so bad. Alright, so the 1 acre plot's up there. We have camera 2 at the end, and we have another camera right there, and there just hasn't been a lot of action. There's this huge, you can see a trail right going up on this ridge. There's got to be another travel route for these, and we're just not used to this. Good. See what happens. Leafy variety. There's some clover right there. Appetizer.
Take a bite of it.
Yeah, Boone does. Picked one up and ate it.
Can you eat it?
Yeah. There's radishes and turnips and sugar beet.
You don't have to like clean it off like the fertilizer or anything?
Oh, that's a good point, maybe. I'll leave the crossbow for tomorrow morning. Alright, let's reconvene. Strategy session. Strategy session. I got a buddy from Miami that wants to come experience a hunt, so we're going to go out tomorrow morning. I'm trying to get the platform ready and get that blind up on that platform, but it did not happen. We got the ladder, we got the walkway, it's all ready. Eric's going to help me tomorrow, so we'll see how it goes. New buck on camera, 9-point castrato, which is small balls. We've got a lot of nicknames at this point. He has shed his velvet, which I was not expecting. Full hunt, wind's not gonna be great tomorrow, it's gonna be a west, so typically where these deer are coming from is a ravine right here on the north side. So it should be okay, and then they come to this pinch point, might have a shot, might not, we'll see. Need to get up some more stands. I only have this one blind. I gotta fix Kyle's chainsaw. Sorry, Kyle. That's about it. So this is apple cinnamon. It's very different than like the straight apple. Straight apple has like chunks, this has slices. Last bite, nobody knows the rules. This is new winner. This is top. Plus it's apple season, you know? Look around. They're on fire. All right, see you next week.